looks like I have some spring cleanup to do. We had a pretty bad storm a few weeks back down home, and I was without power for 5 days. Probably should have came up to the cabin. Couple little sticks down, but not too bad. I was expecting worse when I came up. I definitely have some summer chores to do. I really like to get this deck washed up and re-stained and break up these leaves in the yard, cut the grass. I have some standing dead trees back here. I'm going to update the to-do list and get busy on my next couple trips. Don't let this fool you. It was like 34 degrees this morning. But it's a real beautiful spring day today. I think I'm gonna get a fire going and whip up a good old Mad Plaider style campfire dinner. I'll save the Christmas tree for my annual Christmas tree burning, Christmas in July. If you haven't tried one of these, I highly recommend the Campfire Burger. This is like a mountain pie maker, but for burgers, it really makes a great burger. I can't help but to think of my mom every time I make the old Mad Plaider burger. We used to make these every time she was up here at the cabin. I sure do miss her. Can you smell that? Man, I can't wait to chomp into this burger. The Mad Plaider bacon wrapped fire kissed burger on a pretzel bun. A little bit of blue cheese crumbles, and you know what's next. Sweet baby Ray's. You gotta cement it all together. This one's for you, Mom. Wash it down with a little taste of home. Well, it's looking like hiker's midnight. I'm gonna enjoy a little bit of dessert here. Let this fire burn down. And then call it a night. Get on in. It's gonna be another cold one.